Let us now see how the sheet indexing feature of Connect Edition makes sheet numbering flexible and easier. A new tab called Sheet Index has been added to the Explorer in Connect Edition. In it, you first define the sheet numbering rules. You can define the desired prefix, number of leading zeros and other rules for the sheet numbering. Then, you can categorize the sheets by creating subfolders for each category. In this example, we will create detail and section folders. You can even customize sheet numbering at the folder level. Like in this example, we add different prefix for each folder. Once you define the sheet numbering rules, you can add sheets to the sheet index. The sheets can be added at the sheet index level, or within folders created in the sheet index. In this example, the cover sheet is added directly to the sheet index, sheets containing detail views are added to the detail folder, and the ones containing section views are added to the section folder. Observe that the sheets are automatically numbered in the sheet index. You can then place these sheet numbers as fields in your title block. Note that the alphanumeric sheet prefix is automatically added in the sheet numbering. Also, you can insert the sheet sequence number and the total sheet count as fields in the title block. Once inserted, these numbers will automatically update when the number of sheets change in your project, thus making sheet maintenance a lot easier.